Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Blackett Pro. Today I'll share my experience in making the. But before we start, I want to make sure that you click subscribe and hit the like button under this video. All the ingredients are in the description under the video. And let's start. First, of course, we need a duck. Then we need apples. And it would be great to put spice in your duck. And some apple cider vinegar. We have to put apples in the duck. We put apples in the duck how it's shown on camera. Then we have to sew a duck how it's shown on camera. Even the cat understands that the duck will be very delicious. Then we have to put our duck in the transparent foil and in the oven. Goodbye, ducky. So that's what our duck will look like after 1.5 or 2 hours in the oven. So that's the end. Thanks everyone for watching. Goodbye.